Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jaclyn. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And this is all about Jaclyn. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, you know how we do it. We just roll right into this. And I've had this palette, her collection, for quite a while, the Vault. And periodically I'll do my face and use her eyeshadow palettes. I love them. I truly do. There's little or no fallout. And today I'm just doing a review. I have her palette on my eyes right now. I have a full face. I will go over each color that I used and which palette I like the best. Okay, so in this series of 4 actual palettes in the Vault collection, it's amazing. I kid you not. So we start off with, and I don't know if this is the first, the last, the second, the third, whatever, is Bling Boss. Bling Boss. Okay. And I kid you not, there's some of the most beautiful colors. I really, really like her style. I really, really do. I just want to kind of get up close so you guys can see it. There are an array of different purples, ruby reds. There's, everything from a deep, dark burgundy. I love these. And she always has a combination of solids plus shimmer. And I love the fact that the solids are matte. I love it. Okay. So that's one. And I like that one. It's not my favorite, but I do like it. Okay, so next we have here, this is Ring the Alarm. This is probably my favorite palette. Ring the Alarm. And I'll kind of get close so you can see it. They're beautiful hues. I love these colors. I'm more of an earth tone girl. I love browns. I love mustards. I love that natural, beautiful burnt orange. And so this is the palette that I have on today. And if you can see a little bit here, I'll close my eyes. I just love it. So I'm going to go over the colors that I use since I'm on this palette right now. Okay, first and foremost, I'll use kind of my Morphe. This is a full disclaimer. I primarily use Morphe brushes. So with this, I'll just kind of demonstrate where I put each color. So on my transition line here, what I elected to use, I used Rush. Rush is a beautiful, it's not so much a burnt orange, but it's a deep orange. Burnt orange to me is a little bit more red. I love this. It's just goes so perfectly well with my skin tone. I love it. And then I also went in with, which one did I use? I went in with Mugshot. So I went in first with this one here. Get over here. This one here, which is Rush. And then I went in with Mugshot, right there. And then last but not least, I was like, okay, what am I going to do? So I then went in with Siren, which is this beautiful color right here. So Siren is in there also, and it kind of just put everything together. And last but not least, I did go in with Secret. Secret is this dark, beautiful shade here. And I use Secret on the corners. If you could see, it gives a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous transition into a dark shadow. And I used Siren under my eyes and also Secret to line my under eye. So I love this palette. I love it. I didn't use any of the shimmers. Here I just used MAC, their cream pot for the light color, which is right here. That's all I did. Okay, this is my favorite, Ring the Alarm. Okay, so next in this fourplex of shadows, we have Armed and Gorgeous. I love the name. This is so cool. And these are just gorgeous shades. If you haven't tried her collection, the Vault collection, I highly recommend it. Honestly, for what you pay, you get some of the most beautiful, beautiful shades. Little or no fallout. It was fabulous on my eyes. I've used them, for like a year or two since they've been out. I was lucky enough to get a box when she first brought it out. So this is gorgeous. Like I said, it has some of the colors that I like. This is probably my second favorite. I love Access, which is, you know what? I am so wrong today. And this is full disclaimer. This is my favorite palette. This is the one I actually put on today. I don't know what I'm thinking, but now that I'm looking at the colors and it shows that I used it today, hello, let me do this all over again, please. Let me tell you. Armed and Gorgeous is my favorite. Okay, I can't believe I did that, but I did, and I don't care. Okay, so what I went in with, now that I'm looking at it, I went in with Access, which is this beautiful, beautiful, like a mustard. And I knew my eyes look more mustard than orange, but that was my transition. And then I went in with Agent, this one here, and you can kind of even tell it's more of an orange, but not really a mustard. I love it. Then I went in with Smooth Criminal here. The Smooth Criminal is what you see down on my upper lid, but lower part of it. And then last but not least is Prowl. I love Prowl. It's probably my favorite color in the palette. And that's what I use in the corners. Hello, let me get it correct. And Prowl is what I have under my eye. Please believe. This is my favorite palette, Armed and Gorgeous. I am so sorry. But when I started looking at it, I was like, wait, this is not what I used today. Yeah, this is lovely. I love this. It has 4 shimmers and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actual matte colors. And I love this Top Secret. I did not use it today, but I have used this gorgeous emerald green. It's simply beautiful. Okay. And then the next and last is Dark Magic. What a name. Okay. And these colors, when I want to have like a beautiful, beautiful rustic looking green shadow, I go to this palette. It is simply gorgeous. What more do you want? Just beautiful, beautiful shades. Oh my God. So this is the collection, her Vault collection, Jaclyn Hill. There you go. I highly, highly recommend it. It was little or no fallout in the palette. I've had these since she launched it. I love them. I use them on a regular basis. I love the fact that you get so many shades in this one palette. And I think it was probably, I don't know, $50-something, something like that. But it was very, very reasonable for 4 actual palettes. So you guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think of the Jaclyn Hill / Morphe collection, her Vault collection. And let me know your thoughts. I love this. Let me know what you think about this look. I am feeling it. I am feeling it all day long. Okay. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please click the JB and subscribe to this little happy family. Click the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And check out Jaclyn's beauty blog. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jaclyn's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.